So guys, any cue card in 1 minute. What do we need to do in this case? So कोई भी क्यू कार्ड हम एक्चुअली 1 मिनट में प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. कैसे? सो गाइज इन अ मैनर कि हमने बस इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स लिखने हैं, वोकैबुलरी लिखनी है जो जरूरी है, या कोई इडियम लिखना है और कुछ नहीं लिखना while planning. You know, during the exam you get 1 minute for the preparation of the cue card and you have to speak in between 1 and 2 minutes. So with the help of this method, you are going to prepare any cue card in a minute and you can speak for more than 2 minutes with those notes only. So without wasting further time, मैं explain करना start करती हूँ and in this session I'll be explaining you 2 topics. So here we have the first topic and the topic is describe a street market in your city. So here we are talking about describe a street market in your city. So कौन सी street market की बात कर रहे हैं हम यहाँ पे? We need to see where is it, what can be purchased from there, what is it famous for, how do you feel about it. कुछ भी ज्यादा नहीं लिखना, सबसे पहले डिसाइड करो कौन सी स्ट्रीट मार्केट. सो लेट्स से मेरे माइंड में है लाजपत नगर. सो मैं लिखने वाली हूं लाजपत नगर, न्यू दिल्ली. ओके, नाउ वेयर इज इट? न्यू दिल्ली. ठीक है. व्हाट कैन बी परचेज फ्रॉम देयर? एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम क्लोथ्स, footwear, jewelry, grocery, to और क्या मिलता है वहां पे? एवरीथिंग जो आप कह रहे हो, आपको लग रहा है कुछ भी, एंड फूड एज वेल. ठीक है, फूड आइटम्स एज वेल. क्लोथ्स भी मिलते हैं, फुटवेयर भी मिलता है, ग्रोसरी भी मिलती है, ड्राई फ्रूट्स भी मिलते हैं, सब कुछ मिलता है वहां पे. ठीक है. व्हाट इज इट फेमस फॉर? एक्चुअली फेमस अक्रॉस द कंट्री फॉर और अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड फॉर इट्स फूड. नॉट ओनली चाइनीज, ठीक है, मोमोज बाय डोलमा आंटी, बट ऑल्सो फ्रिटर्स. फ्रिटर्स क्या होते हैं? पकोड़े. ठीक है, बट ऑल्सो पकोड़ास. ठीक है, राम लड्डू. सो द मार्केट इज फेमस फॉर द ऑथेंटिक डिशेस. ठीक है, सम फ्राइड आइटम्स सच एज मूंग दाल फ्रिटर्स. ओके, or bread pakoras. You can just explain that. How do you feel about it? I always feel exhilarated. Now that when I'm thinking about the same, I'm feeling nostalgic. And because of COVID, I couldn't visit Lajpat Nagar market in the last 2 years. However, I'm planning to visit the same market soon. किसके साथ? along with my sister. So हमेशा क्या करना है? देखो, one method is this. आपने बस इतना लिख दिया. On the right hand side you can write the words. वैसे तो you have already written words here. Exhilarated, nostalgic, rejuvenated feel होता है. Although we feel tired in the evening, but that gives a sense of rejuvenation later. Okay? आपने बस इस तरीके से prepare करना है. One more thing. देखो, there is one thing known as flow chart. फ्लो चार्ट का मेथड यूज करो. लाजपत नगर, यू ऑलरेडी नो. माई होम टाउन न्यू दिल्ली. इसके बाद एक्सप्लेन करो. उन्होंने नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या बोला? व्हाट कैन यू बाय फ्रॉम देयर? क्लोथ्स, फुटवेयर, वो सब कुछ आपने लिख दिया. बट यस, if you want to speak at length, in that case what do you need to do? Take one story, take one instance. So कोई एक particular instance जब आप गए थे वहां पे. ठीक है. So for example, I remember the last time I visited the market. I remember when I visited the market last time, I was with my husband and my sister. ठीक है. So आपने ये when तो लिखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, बस husband and my sister. Footwear and पूरा एक्सप्लेन करो. वी इवन वेंट टू गोल्डन फिएस्टा. People call it golden fiesta as well, so whatever you want to, it's a proper noun. So we even went to golden fiesta, and there we tried noodles and the Chinese platter. I am totally fond of that. ठीक है, it was palatable, it was delicious. So अब क्या कर रहे हो आप? You are adding the stories. ठीक है, add कर रहे हो stories, बता रहे हो क्या करा था. I remember having orange slush over there. वो भी एक्सप्लेन कर दिया. सो व्हाट इज दिस? फ्लो चार्ट के फॉर्म में हम सब कुछ बता रहे हैं. यूज दिस मेथड, इट विल हेल्प यू गाइज अ लॉट. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, अगर आपको लगता है यू कैन नॉट टॉक, ठीक है, यू कैन नॉट स्पीक ऑन अ सिंगल टॉपिक फॉर मोर देन 1 minute, in that case you can take 2 topics. लाजपत नगर मार्केट, phase 7 मोहाली मार्केट. As my office is in the same market, I often scroll the market. ठीक है, I often visited the market. ठीक है, I often shopped in the market. So आप explain कर सकते हो next phase 7 वाली market. कोई एक instance ले सकते हो, ऑफिस का कुछ बता सकते हो, क्या फेमस है यहाँ पे. I believe one of the famous bakeries is here in phase 7 only, and I tried 2 to 3 food items from the same, and all the things were delicious. पहले palatable बोला था, delicious बोल दो. So just try to explain a particular topic. At the end, how do you feel about it? End में एक sentence तो हमेशा use कर सकते हो. At last, I always feel nostalgic. देखो, सबसे पहले intro must है. Well, I have been to various markets in my hometown as well as in the city I am residing currently in. But here I would like to talk about Lajpat Nagar market of New Delhi and phase 7 market of Mohali, as these two are favorite of mine. As far as Lajpat Nagar market is concerned, I have numerous memories associated with the same. I even did my wedding shopping from there. Along with that, I remember I visited that market last with my husband and my sister. I enjoyed a lot, as that particular instance, during that particular visit, we did not focus more on shopping. We were just focusing on the food, and that's what made it so exciting. Then now I am staying in Mohali, so I'll be talking about phase 7 market Mohali. Actually, my office is in the same market, so I want to explain the experience over there. Not only I, my husband as well as my son enjoy a lot in the same market. We have a lot of memories associated with the market, as Summer was only 7 months old when I started my office in the same market. So we used to go there together. We tried various delicacies in the same market. We even shopped there. We purchased footwears from the same market a lot of times. So आप explain करें, और आप plethora of times. Just do this. ये अगर 2 टॉपिक्स वाला रूल आप यूज करोगे, यू विल नेवर फॉल शॉर्ट ऑफ आइडियाज. इट्स माय प्रॉमिस. अगर कोई भी चीज नहीं समझ आई है तो जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछना. अब जो हमारा सेकंड टॉपिक है हमारे पास, डिस्क्राइब एन आर्ग्यूमेंट बिटवीन 2 ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स. ठीक है, लुक हियर. सो एन आर्ग्यूमेंट बिटवीन 2 ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स. ठीक है, अब इसमें क्या बात कर सकते हो? बिटवीन 2 ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स इन अ सिमिलर मैनर, कोई एक इंस्टेंस आपने लेना है. ठीक है, बिटवीन 2 ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स. सो आपने क्या करना है? आपने कोई एक इंस्टेंस लेना है. जैसे आपने यहाँ लाजपत नगर मार्केट वाला लिया, एन आर्ग्यूमेंट बिटवीन 2 ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स. सो पॉलिटिकल प्रेफरेंस डिस्कशन था. ठीक है, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी प्रेफरेंस. सो आप बता सकते हो, वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स, ठीक है, आकृति, इज अ फर्म सपोर्टर ऑफ मोदी. ओके, ऑफ नरेंद्र मोदी, ऑफ आवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी, whereas the other is totally supports Arvind Kejriwal. So I remember the time when actually we were having coffee in a good cafe. I remember we were actually in Starbucks. So that particular moment, we were just enjoying the whole day. We were relaxing there over a cup of coffee or tea. ठीक है, you can explain it like such. But I don't know, out of nowhere the political party discussion came in, and my friend Akriti started boasting about the powers of Narendra Modi. However, on the other hand, my friend Kavita, who never liked Narendra Modi, started talking about Arvind Kejriwal. At the end, the whole situation became quite difficult for me to handle. It was an arduous situation because they were not ready to listen to me. They just started arguing with each other. Earlier they were just discussing, and later on it turned into an argument, a debate, and it was not a healthy one. That I'm sure of. So they were fighting with each other, and that's the thing which actually pissed me off. That time I thought of intervening in between, and I just explained them the whole situation. I told them I do not support either of these two. And there is no point ever discussing political parties with each other or with any family member or your friends, because every person has different preference, different perspective. So, what I believe in, you might not be ready with that. So, it's okay. We should be friends, but we should not discuss all this, as it is going to harm our friendship. After explaining the same thing, after pacifying the situation for I believe 15 to 20 minutes, they both were quiet. And that was the time, that was actually an ease for me. So it was like a blessing in disguise. And at the end, I made up my mind regarding the same thing. I'll never discuss any political party with any of my friends. Since that day onwards, I never discussed about any political leader with my friends. So, I believe it is going to improve everyone's relationship the way it improved our friendship. ओके सो आप कुछ ऐसे एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो कैसे आर्ग्यूमेंट हुआ था. अब आप चाहते हो कि एक और आर्ग्यूमेंट करना है तो कुछ आप कर सकते हो हॉलीडे के ऊपर स्पेंड करने के ऊपर. सो यू कैन टॉक अबाउट टू थिंग्स, अदरवाइज दिस टॉपिक विल बी मोर देन एनफ. आप एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो. देखो पॉइंट इज एक सिंगल स्टोरी भी वर्क कर जाती है इफ यू आर एक्सप्लेनिंग द बैकग्राउंड स्टोरी. आर्ग्यूमेंट क्या था, कैसे हुआ, ठीक है, how did you interfere in between, how did you actually helped in stopping the getting rid of the argument, and how do you feel about it? Well, I feel such arguments are not required because after discussing political preferences we are spoiling our relations with each other, which is not a healthy thing. Instead we should focus on other topics or any other topic except any preference, because it makes a person less of the other. Okay, so बस ये मेथड आपने यूज करना है स्पीकिंग के लिए. एंड गाइज मुझे लग रहा है आपको समझ आया होगा सब कुछ. आप बस ये फॉलो करके देखो. मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में एक और टॉपिक मैं देती हूँ, उसके ऊपर प्रिपेयर करके बताओ. अ स्किल यू लर्न रिसेंटली, कैसे फॉलो अप, कैसे आप क्यू कार्ड प्रिपेयर करोगे, लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन.